A video to show you how a twin set will pull on a Cummins with some heavy weight. Cruise is set at 76. We're locked in overdrive. It's 355 gears and 28 or 35-inch tires. That's why the air. We're at 24,000 pounds gross right now. Top gauge is primary compressor boost, the big compressor. Middle is overall, EGT, and drive pressure is a little guy. We're going to be hitting a hard grade here. We're finding a pretty stiff headwind. So yeah, we'll show you what it does. It's definitely not going to downshift or unlock or do any of that bullshit. Yeah, twins are the shit, and that is no lie. Pulling damn near 30 pounds on the flat, so we're working it. We're going to hit our grade here. There we have it. Never broke speed. Oh, never got over 1-to-1. Drive pressure to boost, and what are we, about 1150 max EGT? Yeah, could do that all day though.